Hello?
Hi, it's Travis, no performance. Returning a missed call?
Yes. I just had a quick question for you guys. I have a 2014 Focus ST, and I was wondering how much you guys charge for dyno.
Are you looking at, well, actually, what's all done to it?
So it's full bolt taunts, big turbo, and it has an aux fill kit on it. What I've been asked for months, and what I've been wanting to do myself, is finally going down today. We're finally taking the ST to go get dynoed. We're gonna have direct numbers for you guys by the end of this vlog. Stay tuned. I'm gonna give you guys a nice cold start, and I got my tripod today, so this camera ain't falling. No sir. Learn from your mistakes. Nah, actually, let's get a little angle for you guys. Nice little sun, silhouette. Can't really see, but we doing it. And of course, before we go, we gotta fill it with that good E85 so we can get some numbers. I forgot the nozzle to go to this can that screws on the top at home, so I had to make kind of like a double adjustment. Hopefully this works because I'm not trying to drive all the way back home. Let's see. Alright, oh, this looks like it'll work. Oh, this is for sure. Now we gotta top this off with 91. And we're good. That's finished and we're donezo. Put that back. Alright, so last time I put gas in here, it was just straight 91. So we gotta switch over to the E85 map. So bar 1 is 91, just 91. Bar 2 is E85. And bar 3 is E85 low boost. We're gonna keep it on low boost because we got a 2-hour drive ahead of us. And I'm trying to reserve some gas, boys. So we're going on low boost.
This is funny.
Low boost. What I can tell you though is by the time we get home, I'm not gonna have any gas. It's a 2-hour drive there. It's what is it, like a little over 100 miles. So yeah, when I get home, I'm gonna be on E. And you guys saw that we just filled up. So again, can't complain because I kind of made it like that. So. Oh well. We're gonna get there at 9:59. 118 miles away. Sick one. And here comes the sad part. Traffic. So we have 54 minutes to go until we get there. We got 1 hour down and another hour to go. I'm only using navigation on my phone because I don't feel like this car comes with navigation. I just don't feel like putting it on there. But another hour and we'll be there. 9:55. We gotta be there at 10. Alright, we are 10 minutes out. I can't wait to get there. I need to stretch my legs. This has been a long drive. This is the longest I've driven in a while. So the dyno sheet that I have is a virtual dyno, so that can either be higher or lower. And so with that being said, like I'm not really expecting high numbers. Like, so obviously I don't want to get my feelings hurt, but at the same time, like I'm not really mad. I'm more or less excited for the experience. say for example like the car has like super low numbers, like it is what it is. Like I told myself this year that this car is not my main focus, the Miata is. So with that being said, like say it shoots for low, or say like we get low numbers, like it is what it is. Like once I get to a comfortable spot with the Miata, then I'll hop back on this and we'll just go at it until I get the numbers that I'm expecting. So like I said, I'm pretty much here for the experience, and like I said, I'm pretty excited. So in order for them to actually make it on a dyno, I had to air up a little bit. I think that's where my fitment was before. Yeah, exactly. Big old goofballs sitting like that. So we are gonna go back there, but he's gonna take it back there. They're gonna get it strapped down, and they're gonna come get me, and then we'll go from there.
So you bought your cameras.
Yeah, I'm a vlogger, so it's a pretty nice view, huh?
Yeah, that's cool. California on the other side of the
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's see what she does.
The way he straps it, because front wheel drive would run on the rear rollers.
Yeah.
So 6 out, so we'll have the door open.
Okay.
Yeah. You'll get all strapped in.
All right, sounds good.
That's Travis right there.
Okay, thanks, appreciate it. So the shop that's performing the dyno is going to be Snow Performance in Auburn, California. That is about 2 hours away from where I live. They're mainly a Subaru, I was gonna say dealer, but they mainly work on Subarus. But like I said, we're just doing a dyno here. I believe this tuner does tune Cobb, and what I mean by Cobb, I mean like anything that's associated with it. So like Ford, I know the GTR is, so like Nissan, obviously Subaru. So like I said, they're gonna do 3 dyno pulls, and then we'll go and see what power is making.
It's right here.
Moment of truth.
Moment of truth. Ready?
We ready?
Are you ready?
Let's see. Let's see.
I'm excited now.
You excited?
Yeah. Now I'm excited. Now that it's here.
What do you think it's gonna make?
I don't know. It's really fast. I don't know.
It is pretty quick, but
I gave you my number, 500.
it's not 500. I can tell you, it's honestly not gonna be 500.
I'll say 425.
420, that's too high.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's still too high.
375 then.
That's a fair number, honestly.
Wait a second, right?
That's fair.
I just give you.
And just like that, we're done. Quick, quick, quick. It took me 2 hours to get here and 10 minutes to get out.
265 and or 365 and 359.
Huh, not bad.
Hey, I said 375.
Not bad at all. That was pretty close.
What turbo's on there?
It's a 2867R Gen 2.
Sweet.
Yeah, so I actually got an E-tune. So you can tune it for me, right? If I were to like get it retuned.
I would have to start all the way over. We
Yeah,
can start
I
with
forgot.
their map.
Yeah, I figured.
We can start all the way over, yeah.
Cause I got it's an E-tune that's on there.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty sure like with it being dyno tuned, I'm pretty sure I can get like a more aggressive tune on there, I'm guessing.
It's all happy balance. I
Okay.
mean, it's depending on how it's set up, what fuel you running right now, pump gas or?
No, so I have a E40.
E40?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's all depending. Every
Okay.
car is different, so I mean,
Okay.
I don't know who tuned it, but I mean, a lot of the guys that E-tune, a lot of these sports are, they're pretty on point with what we do as well.
Yeah.
There's not to say that we can't make any more power
Yeah.
with dyno tuning it, but I'm not gonna sit here and tell you like 100% I can make more power.
So like realistically, like with the mods, because it's big turbo full bolts on E40. So realistically, do you know like around the ballpark, like what it's like should make?
I mean, this is pretty on point for probably
Okay.
that turbo. I mean,
Okay.
Slightly larger turbo that I tuned on one, I think it was a 30R.
Yeah, I've heard
I
of
think
that.
we're touching over 400. So
Okay.
that's a slightly larger turbo
Yeah.
than a 28.
Okay.
So,
All right. Sounds good.
but yeah, I mean, it's nice power, nice and smooth, comes up.
Yeah, not too bad.
So
Not bad at all.
compared to a stock one that's way down in the low 200s.
Oh yeah, that's easily over
So,
plus 100 plus.
big gains.
Yeah.
So.
Done with the dyno session. So as you guys see on the screen, it is 360. What is it? 364 horsepower that I'm making. Obviously that's way off from the virtual dyno that Stratify provided, but they did say, and even I know, like those numbers are not going to be exact. The dyno that we did use is a Mustang dyno. I know those read low, but they did say that that is the most accurate dyno. So we're back at home finally. Honestly, I don't think I can do that again. Like that drive was super long. Like normally I don't trip about driving because I like driving, especially like when I'm driving like this car, like I enjoy driving it, but that drive was too long, so I probably won't do that again. All right guys, so we rolling in the Yada today. That was an accident. This car is so small that my foot was on the gas by accident. But this is actually not my car, this is Chris's car. We're gonna go get wheels mounted on it. That's why I'm trying to get mine up and running, so when we can, when we ride together, we can be the Yada boys. That's the main goal, honestly. But I love this car, dude. Like, don't get me wrong, it's way smaller than the Del Sol. It's freaking hot in this joint. Goodness gracious. It's way smaller than the Del Sol, but it's faster and it's just cooler. The Del Sol's bigger, more spacious. That car is really comfortable, honestly. It's way more comfortable than the ST. But I honestly can't wait until my Miata's done. Oh, that's the wrong gear. And these seats gotta go. When I get mine back, those first it's gonna be in the few modifications that I have planned is to change the seats, because the seats, they sit way too high, so like your head's basically like through the roof. So that's one of the things that's got to go. But cannot wait until my Miata's drivable. I'm waiting on it. Which actually brings me to the next topic that I want to talk about. So this channel is gonna have a variety of cars on it. So with that being said, like one of the things that I thought about when I created this channel was the name. And for the few that's been here from the start, like the very few that's been here from the start, they know that the channel wasn't always named under my name. It was named something else. But one thing I didn't want to do is name the channel under a specific car that I had. I just kind of wanted something that was kind of true to me versus name the channel like, I don't know, Boosted ST, and then like down the line, like I don't even have an ST anymore, but yet my channel is named Boosted ST. So I don't know, that's one of the things that I thought about. But yeah, there will be a variety of cars. That's why I changed the name to my personal name, and I bought a Miata. So yeah, just expect more variety of content on the channel rather than they just always be about the ST. It brings to the commodity. Like some people, sometimes you just get bored of seeing like the same stuff every time, you know. So just something I wanted to touch base on. That's all.